Digha Nikaya is related to Buddhist discourse. First Buddhist council, Abhinam Pitak, philosophy religion. Second Buddhist council, Karasok. First King Agyasotru. Third King Ashok. Fourth Kanishka. Jataka text related to Buddhism. Abhidhamma Kosh is related to Buddhist text. Buddhist text that comprises rule for monks is called Vinaya Pitak. Buddhist text that consists of main teaching of Dhamma Buddha is called Sutta Pitak. Hinayana Mahayana sect of Buddhism. In Sanskrit, Hinayana means small vehicle. In Sanskrit, Mahayana means great vehicle. Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini. The sermon of Gautam Buddha, which is also known as fire sermon, is called Adhyatari Sutta. Second discourse of Gautam Buddha is said to be Anantamalaya Sutra. Physician of Gautam Buddha was Jivaka. Upgupta influenced Ashoka to embrace Buddhism. Court physician of Kanishka was Charak. Both Gaya, Kushinagar, Sarnath are pilgrim place of Buddhist. The concept of Buddhistva is associated with Mahayana Buddhism. The culture of Buddhism is also known for tantric ritual, Vajrayana. Abhay Mudra in Buddhism symbolizes fearlessness. Place of worship in Buddhism is called Chaitya. Architecture consists of Chaitya Viharas, stupas and stambhas. Buddhist architecture. Buddhist text Mahajamma Nikaya is Sutta Pitaka. Ashwaghosh, the author of Buddhist Charitra, was philosopher in the court of Aniska. 1. Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment in Bodh Gaya. 3 Pitakas are compilation of teaching of Buddha. Digha Nikaya is collection of discourse of Buddhism. The first Buddhist council held under the patronage of King Ajatasattu Rajgiri. The second Buddhist council held under the patronage of King Asoka at Sisunak density 333 Vaisali. Third Buddhist council held under the patronage of Maurya King Ashoka in 2050 BC was Patliputra. Fourth Buddhist council held under the patronage of Kusana King Kanishka in 7280 was Kashmir. Buddhism was divided into two sects, Mahayana and Hinayana, during fourth Buddhist council. Buddhist ever known as Dhammacharakparitan took place in Sarnath. The term Tripitak in Buddhism means three basket. Namdolong Math is located in Karnataka. The painting and sculpture of Ajanta caves in Maharashtra are related to Buddhism. Ashokan pillars were usually made of sandstone. First Buddhist council was presided over by Mahakasyap. Second Buddhist council was presided over by Samakami. Third Buddhist council was presided over by Mogliputra Tus. Fourth Buddhist council was presided over by Vasumitra. Gautam Buddha gave most of his preaching in Girdhakut, Bihar. Uparkot Buddhist cave are located in Junagadh. The stupa at Sanchi is surrounded by 4 tornas. The place of Buddha's birth was a grove named Lumbini. Harimaka is associated with architecture of Buddhist stupa. Chokhandi, Dhamek, Rathambar stupa site are located in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Language spoken by Buddha is Prakrit. Set of tales that deals with previous birth of Buddha, Jataka. Branch of Buddhism that was spread to Southeast Asia was Theravada. Buddhist prayer halls were known as Chaityas.